Now, as Jesus was going up to Jerusalem, he took the 12 disciples aside and said to them,
"We are going up to Jerusalem,
And the Son of Man will be betrayed to the chief priests and the teachers of the law. They will condemn him to death and will turn him over to the Gentiles to be mocked and flogged and crucified. On the third day, he will be raised to life.
Then the mother of Zebedee's sons came to Jesus with her sons, and kneeling down, asked a favor of him.
What is it you want?
He asked. She said,
Grant that one of these 2 sons of mine may sit at your right hand, and the other at your left in your kingdom.
You don't know what you are asking.
Jesus said to them.
Can you drink the cup I am going to drink?"
We can.
They answered. Jesus said to them,
You will indeed drink from my cup, but to sit at my right or left is not for me to grant. These places belong to those for whom they have been prepared by my Father.
When the 10 heard about this, they were indignant with the 2 brothers. Jesus called them together and said,
You know that the rulers of the Gentiles lord it over them, and their high officials exercise authority over them. Not so with you. Instead, whoever wants to become great among you must be your servant. And whoever wants to be first must be your slave. Just as the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many.